Welcome.
Hi, welcome to my Masi's cave.
This is Elliot's outfit, huh? What is this kurta, no?
Yes, kurta.
And
And
pant. And what are you wearing? Are?
welcome to my Casey Masu channel. Hi, welcome to my Kanna channel.
How are you, say?
How are you?
I'm doing fine. Where are we going today? Haldi.
Yogesh Uncle's haldi we are going.
Say Yogi Uncle's haldi. Say
We'll keep on doing the video till we reach there.
Yogi Uncle's
Yogi Uncle's
haldi. What are we wearing today? All yellow, no? Where's Elliot?
Hello.
Elliot. Say hi.
Hi.
You're going for haldi, no?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Where's Mikaya?
Mikhail is busy.
No, the other madam is inside there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing well. And the whole family is here, fam. That's Elliot. This is Shivi girl, Shivon, and the other one is sitting there like a madam, Mikaya. This is my godchild and Malbut's here.
Hi, hi, hi.
So basically we all are wearing yellow because we are going for Yogi's haldi. That's my friend's haldi today and tomorrow is the wedding. I will be taking you guys along with me and showing you bits and pieces how the celebration is going to happen. I'll try to vlog as much as I can because we'll be also indulge in the whole celebration, okay? So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Say I will see you soon. Give flying kiss, give. You were saying, Elliot?
I remember big oyster from the mud.
You had gone for fishing
No, not for fishing. I went to remove oysters in the rain.
in the rainy season. How big they were?
They were so big.
Oh, did you prepare and have it, cook it?
Yes, I fried.
Was it tasty?
Yes.
You like kalwa?
You like kalwa?
Yeah.
Yes. Which is your favorite fish?
Lipo.
Lepo.
Just
She
like
like me. Just like Godma, no? We are same to same.
The lipo now from the Kalvan, I have to bite it and eat.
Oh, you have to bite it and eat.
Yes.
Oh, you like it kurkurit?
Yes.
How you like it?
I don't like the burnt one.
Crispy.
Burnt ones you like?
You like burnt ones? No, not the burnt ones. Say kurkurit. That down thing, what is there? What is that? Stone thing.
Stone thing, another thing, Musol.
Okay. Ete patrachi is
No, 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 they're going to stay in there.
that patle
That stick they're going to take, and all 5 ladies.
Ah.
They will blend this thing. Musol ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಕಾಂಟ.
Okay.
Kanta. That they will. 5 like most of the like Azari कौन जानेगी? आप लोग ही देखे.
This is Harsha's outfit. Looking very pretty.
You want me to see what is
Nah, I know what you're trying to say. They all are wearing nice matching sarees. Looks good.
All the yogi. Feet like it. आगात नाही पोय मागे रॉय घरचे पिन पडलेलं पोय आता
Miku, what are they doing, baby? Mikaya, what are Yogesh Mama doing? This. त्या पोरांना नव्हता पीठ पावल्या हा सोन कवळेकर पैसे घाल बाय अरे इतना माझे नाव ना जीपे बी नाही काम झाला ना जीपे झाला ना पैसे घाल पाहिजे जीपे असं
किती हाडला तुवें ब्रदर केवल मानकुराद
मम्मी
म्हाका दिलेलो पूण हेणे येलो
हांवें घातलो बरें हा
शो शो सारको तेका लागून येलो तेणे मिस्टर दीप
हळदीला तिन पाणी हैडोळी शोभिवंता गेली चार पान
होईल The boys are basically preparing themselves for another round of haldi. The first time we've seen haldi, no?
Yeah.
It's fun. It's nice. Anik Mankarat Amadila. Oh, can we tell this?
अरे अरे कमर से
असं होतं
ये ना ये मग शुगर काना मसाज झालो घ्या काना काना
厚此小数点厚此这个开。
So guys, finally we are back home from Yogesh's haldi ceremony, and Johan came to pick us up. Me and Malbut just came home, but there's a small little surprise. It is actually that it was Johan's decision, like it's his. But I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, okay? Let's introduce to you
Small little Whiskey.
Hi, Whiskey. Hi. Oh my god, she's so adorable. She's so cute. She's just a month old. And she's just wondering. She's a golden retriever. And she's wondering, like, where am I? What am I doing? Johan is going to pick her up. But we are going to take care of her for some time. But I'm so attached already. She's so adorable. My goodness. Hi, Whiskey. Hi, my baby girl. Hi, come. 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 Oh my god, my good girl. Oh my god, she's so cute. Hi. She's so cute.
She's a good girl. Good girl.
Hi, Whiskey.
Hi. Hi.
The way she's sitting. So we are going to be spending some time with her now, and when Johan comes back, we'll be giving it to Johan because it belongs to him.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, Malva is like, yeah, of course. But whenever we are down, we'll definitely see her. And now also, until we are here, we will meet her. And she's the cute. She's very adorable. Very, very, very adorable. Her name is Whiskey. Johan has already told us. And she loves the AC. Look at her.
Hi, funny girl.
We are just going to spend some time with her. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It was a fun-filled day. We celebrated our besties Yogi's Haldi ceremony. It was fun. I have been to Haldi ceremony for the first time. In Konkani, it's called Harat. Harat. I love it. I like it. So yeah, this was the outfit that I was wearing, and I'm going to put up some pictures to show you guys the whole outfit, me and Malbert and my friends, whatever we do. Having said that, let's just end the vlog now, okay? I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This time, I'm going to make Whiskey say it, okay? Say like, share and subscribe. Mwah. Mwah. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Whiskey. Bye.
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, we both are going to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.